Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that can arise when working with GCC on the PowerPC64el architecture. The problem at hand is related to evaluating a constexpr involving a long double division. While this may work smoothly on many CPU architectures, it seems to hit a roadblock on ppc64el, resulting in an error message stating that the operation is not a constant expression. Quite the head-scratcher, right? Now, let's delve into the solution for this conundrum. The issue stems from PowerPC using the double-double type for long double, which doesn't adhere to the IEEE standard format. Essentially, the long double is stored as a struct with high and low double values, making it tricky for GCC to handle. The workaround for this is to pass the mavi equals ilong double flag to GCC, allowing it to navigate through the non-compliant format and process the constexpr without breaking a sweat. In summary, we've uncovered a quirk in GCC's handling of long double divisions on certain architectures, particularly PowerPC64el. By familiarizing ourselves with the underlying double-double type used for long double on PowerPC, we've learned how to sidestep the issue with a nifty flag. And there you have it. Problem identified and solved. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!